summer thunderstorm. Come on out, check it out. Just to show you a few minutes later. Now to step around to the windy side. Yeah, and it's the wet side too. I was about to move the boats around, but it is hailing, and that hurts. Okay, hiding out underneath the scaffolding on the leeward side, which is probably not the brightest place to be when lightning's around, but getting pelted. That's a small one. There we go. Here's a view. Absolutely just getting pelted here. I'd love to know how hard it's blowing, but I'm too scared to step around the corner.
How long was that?
You alright, Kate?
Yeah, good. That?
Oh, don't tell me.
Hit us.
Yeah, that hit us.
That hit us.
What I want to know is... Second level. Yes, I do smell burning. I don't know.
It's